Systemic Formulas of Ogden, Utah manufactures over 150 herbal blends and powdered vitamins in the form of capsules, powders, liquids, and sachets. The company cut its mixing and cleaning time by 80% by replacing its paddle mixer with a rotary batch mixer from Munson Machinery. 15 to 60 different vitamins, minerals, enzymes, RNA, DNA tissue factors, amino acids, and botanicals are transferred from food handling containers into the rotary batch mixer, which achieves total batch uniformity, whether filled anywhere from 100% down to 15% of rated capacity. Systemic Formulas batches range from 100 to 1,147 pounds, or 45 to 521 kilograms, yielding roughly 100,000 to 1 million capsules per batch. Proprietary internal flights impart a four-way mixing action that tumbles, folds, cuts, and turns the material gently, without the shear of agitated machines, blending each batch in 4 to 6 minutes versus 20 minutes for the paddle mixer. An optional pressure pot with an internal atomizer sprays a mist of hemp, wintergreen, grapeseed, and other oils onto a moving bed of material for rapid and uniform distribution without wet spots or clumping. The drum continues to rotate during discharge, causing the flights to direct the entire batch toward and through a plug gate valve, eliminating material waste and preventing stratification associated with discharging of static batches while reducing cleaning time. Between each batch, the mixer is pre-washed, soaped down, and rinsed, then re-soaped, run with agitation balls, and dried with clean towels, and finally re-scrubbed, rinsed, sanitized, air-dried, and wiped down with alcohol. Total material evacuation, together with unobstructed interior access through a retractable intake chute and 2 large side doors, has reduced cleaning time to only 30 minutes versus 2.5 to 3 hours with the previous paddle mixer. See the full range of Munson mixing and blending equipment at munsonmachinery.com.